Hello EA technology fans. We're here to do an unboxing of the CableData collector. It's designed for partial discharge testing of medium and high voltage cables. My name's George and let's get started. As you can see, it comes in a rugged shipping case. It includes documentation, manual and calibration certificate. Here's the heart of the unit, the CableData collector itself. You can see it has four connection points, and we'll discuss these. So three of them are going to be RFCT or HFCT, depending on your terminology. These connect to the ground straps of your cables. They have a connection there, and here are the three corresponding cables. 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, there's 3 that are included with the kit. The CTs are designed to pick up the phase frequency. So for example, here in the US we have 60 Hertz frequency, but we need it accurate to the decimal. And if for some reason it's not able to do that, included in the kit is this device, which is a phase reference transformer. It comes with a power cord with the appropriate plug for your country, and this will connect to that fourth location on the unit, and it has its own separate cable for that. Also, if you look at the rear of the unit, you'll see a USB connection. That's for the power, and that is included. Here's the cable. Please note you need 2 USB ports to power the unit. The other ports that are here are for factory use only, and then there's 3 indicator lights for status information. So that covers everything that's included in the CableData collector kit. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.